Hi y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make and use rice water for your hair, and I'll be demonstrating it on my sisters. But before I begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do yourself a huge favor and click the subscribe button, and also be sure to give my video a huge thumbs up. Now that you've done that, let's begin. If you have watched my video on magic of rice water and facts you still don't know about, you know the basics of rice water, and you know there are 3 different ways to prepare rice. The center is the fermentation process. It's not really a fast process, but it's the best for me. Let me show you guys how it's done.
Then you get a cup of rice, then you pour it inside. After you pour it inside, just pour water inside the bowl of rice. Then you wash it like you're washing clothes. When you normally wash rice water, that's how you wash it. Wash it very, very well. Wash it very well. You can pour more water if you want to pour, but this is enough. This is enough. Then I think I've washed the rice water enough. So I'm just going to pour it inside the bottle, or inside the bowl. Anywhere you just want to pour it, just pour it. Just make sure what you want to pour it into has a cover, so that you can cover it. Okay. Now this is my rice water. There's a little dirt, just remove it, and that's all. This doesn't count, okay? So now I've got my rice water. That's the simple step. It's not that hard. It's very easy. Then you cover it and you leave it for 3 days to ferment, because without fermentation process it can't work well. This is the rice water in a water bottle. You can apply the rice water on your hair by using a spray bottle or a drip bottle. You can also just simply apply the rice water on your hair directly from the water bottle. Anyone, it's your choice. I'm going to be using the drip bottle to apply the rice water on my sister's hair. Now, when I start applying the rice water on the hair, I make sure to separate my hair and try to detangle it a little bit. I pour it and make sure it gets to every part of the hair. Make sure it gets to the edges, to the back. And once I'm done, I pack it or not. If you don't pack it, there's no problem. It's not necessary to pack it. Now that I'm done, I move to the second part. I lose it and I apply the rice water on the second part of the hair as well. Now I make sure I get to every part. I make sure I pour on the edges, the middle, the back, everywhere. I don't miss a corner. In fact, just make sure you pour it everywhere. And I'm done. Now that you're done, when you're done actually, that's when the real work begins. You have to massage your hair for 5 good minutes. It must not be less than 5 minutes, okay? You can make it 10 minutes if you want to, but make sure it's not less than 5 minutes. If you have to tell someone to help you massage your hair or hire someone to help you massage your hair, just do it. You need to massage your hair for 5 minutes, okay? Because without massaging your hair, you haven't done anything. The rice water is practically useless on your hair. Massaging your hair is the most compulsory and necessary part of applying rice water on your hair. And make sure you massage it thoroughly. Make sure it's 5 minutes. When you're done, you leave the rice water on your hair to dry for 30 minutes. You can pack your hair or not. I like packing my hair because I don't want my hair to shrink. So after packing your hair, you leave it for 30 minutes like I said. And that's how to apply rice water on your hair. It's very easy and simple and straightforward.
Thanks for watching my video. Hope you guys know how to make and use rice water. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you guys are interested in joining the 2019 hair growth challenge, follow me on my Instagram page and tag me on every picture you post on your hair journey, okay? We can do this together. We can grow our hair together, okay? Thanks for watching, and you guys watch out for my next video on what to use on your hair after using rice water. Thanks for watching. Bye.